I'm loving these videos because when I'm in a room with my friends who are criminal lawyers and family law attorneys, business attorneys, you can tell who the nerd in the room is. It's right here. So right now we're going to talk about soil vapor, what it is, why it matters, and how I use it as an environmental lawyer to help my clients understand risk. So soil vapor is the gas that comes off volatile chemicals, things like solvents, fuels, industrial compounds that are in soil or groundwater. And if that vapor starts moving upward, it can sometimes get into buildings through cracks or utility lines. And that's called vapor intrusion. Now, government agencies and property owners care about vapor intrusion because certain chemicals, even at very low levels, can build up indoors and pose health risks to the people who live or work there. Patterns in the vapor data, where levels are higher or lower, can help us figure out if there is an active source or if the contamination is moving or if something like a building foundation is acting as a barrier or a trap. And it's important to know that just finding soil vapor does not automatically mean there's a danger. So what we're looking at are what chemicals are present, how concentrated they are, how deep they are, and whether they might have a path into a building. We're also trying to understand whether the data tell us where the source of vapor is, whether it's on a property or seeping into a property from an off-site source. So with soil vapor, just like I talked about with soil, it's not just about what we find. It's about the patterns and the pathways and the story the data tell. And understanding that story is one way that I help my clients make smart, informed decisions or to advocate for something they really need. And in this situation, what we determined is that the highest levels of soil vapor were all coming in one part of the property. So either a spill happened there, if that was supported by other data, or it's being influenced by something off-site in that corner of the property. Or, since groundwater is flowing from that direction, it could be that contaminated groundwater is leading to the spikes in that one corner. You're taking all those bits and pieces together to try to figure out what's actually happening. So now we've talked about how soil and soil vapor are part of that process, and next we're going to talk about groundwater.